Assalamu dear students, welcome to Civil Engineering channel. My name is Fazil Beer. Today we are starting another lecture of Autodesk Civil 3D. So in this lecture we will learn station equation in alignment and profile view. Station equation in simple word, additional station, some additional station, how can we insert in our drawings. So subtopic is insert additional station in alignment and insert station equation in profile views. Band setting for additional station in profile view and finalize profile setting. So in this lecture we will discuss all these things. So first of all, in this lecture we will learn how can we insert additional station on horizontal alignment, okay, on horizontal alignment on specific distance. After that, how can we show all these additional station, maybe 1 2 3, some other more than, and how can we insert and how can we show these are additional station in profile view. This is also very interesting and also very important. How can we insert this one? Actually, when we go in profile view, then we need to do some adjustment in profile inner side. After that, this automatically all the additional station will be shown in our profile view. So I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. So let's start. So you can see our drawing. So first of all, I want to tell you what is the reason behind to show additional station in our profile and our alignment. Okay, you can see here one road alignment and some specific utilities going through from its crossing. You can see here this is crossing portion and here is some utility is going here. Okay, you can see this portion, you can also see here this portion. So we need to highlight this portion, this station, okay, so that we also need to show this station in our profile. So first of all, I want to hide this portion, this one, this extension line. So click here and right click. After that, edit alignment style. Okay, after that you can see here line extension. I just want to off this one from here, and so you can see here now I want to highlight this portion and add some additional station here on all these portions where utility is passing. Okay, so I just click on alignment and after that right click, alignment property. Okay, click here. You can see here information. After that, station control. Then you can see here station equation, this portion. So I want to add some additional stations. For that I click here, see this one, click here. After that, some warning portion here, modify a station equation may advisory affected object and data already created from the alignment. Okay, I just want to add this one station here, just click here. Okay, this station is added, you can see here. After we also add some other one, so I also want to add this one, all these portions where utility is passing. Okay, so you can also see here this portion, you also add this one. Okay, so apply, then okay. So you can see here our data is entered, but there is no any type of station come here. So I click on alignment, right click, edit alignment label. Okay, after you can see here station equation. Okay, station equation, click here, add this one from here, apply, then okay. So you can see here our additional station in our alignment is mentioned here. The main purpose of this station is to show the utilities area where the utility is passing in our roads alignment. Okay, so now I want to highlight this portion here. You can see here some additional line, these line, there is some lines of utilities. Okay, so I want to show the station of this one. So for showing station, I just click here, right click, profile view property. Okay, after you can see here NGL, PGL and station. First of all, I want to add station here. So for that, click here. After that, go in inner setting, like click here. You can see here station equation. Okay, click on station, but before that we also display all these station. You can see here we have some extra station. So label add station equation, we need to add this one. After that, stick add station equation, we also need to add this one. Okay, after that I want to give some specific color, same like white, you can see here. After that we need to go band style and then compose label. So you can see here, so there is two station equation and profile elevation, so I just delete this one, and after that I select here station. Okay, then we need to go in content, select this one here, and you can see here station equation ID. I just select this one, no problem. I also want to hide this one, show this one from you. Okay, add this one here, and give here some different color, magenta color, so that we can easily find that this is our extra station. Okay, magenta. Okay, after that we also, you can see here degrees, it's text like 3.5, bottom center, middle center. Okay, see this one here. After that we also need to give color here, same like that here. Okay, apply, then okay. Display color also maybe must be here, same like this one, magenta. Okay, apply, then okay, apply, then okay. So you can see here our first station, additional station came here. You can see here this is our utilities station, additional station. Okay, we also want to highlight its PGL and NGL. So for that I just click here, right click, profile view property. After that I select here PGL, then I want to click here, see this one, same display, and I also want to tick add station equation. Okay, then this station must be this color, apply. After that band detail. Okay, so station equation, click here. After that add from here compose label, there is two labels same, I want to delete this one, and right click here PGL. Okay, p.g.l. Okay, after that station, click here, we need to select PGL profile 2. Okay, this is profile 2, add this one from here, 2 digit. Okay, after that format must be blue color and this one. Okay, see this one. Then we also need to show its number like 3.5 height, and here this. Okay, after apply, then okay, after the apply, then okay, apply. Then you can also see here, I just want to add this one here, click here again, after again here, and display from here, label at station equation. Okay, on this one from here. Okay, apply, and you can see here our additional station, this must be in center. Okay, so for that we just click here and centroid this one. Sorry, I select here this one, bottom middle here, you can see here. Okay, apply, then okay, apply. Okay, apply, and you can see here this is our middle. Okay, so now I want to show this station PGL NGL. So click here again, and click here after X station equation. Okay, so we also want to compose label for NGL, so for that delete this one and click here, and here NGL. After a band must be in middle here, 3.5, and station from here I just want to select NGL profile 1. Okay, after that add this one here and give the color same like NGL red. Okay, center. Okay, after that bottom center, middle center. Okay, we also need to give color here red. Okay, apply, then okay. Now display, need to go in display and label at station equation, this one must be on, and tick at station equation. Okay, and also show this one in red color. Okay, apply, then okay, apply, and then okay. So you can see here our additional station in profile view also mentioned here, see this one. So if you want to add more station here. Suppose I also have utilities area here. Okay, I also want to highlight this portion in this station. Okay, so for that simply click here. Now just click on alignment property and add from here. Okay, you just click here anywhere, this one. If you want to add more one, like some specific area, this one. Okay, you just click here and apply, then okay, automatically our station will be show. Okay, so you can see here our additional station, and this station must be show. You can see here we just one time adjust one station, all station will be show here. So I also want to highlight here utilities, these utilities like this one. If you know the label of this utilities, this line, you can also mention here. So maybe this label, if you check from utility profile, this maybe utility came here. Okay, so you can also highlight here in profile, like suppose I have utility here, this area also maybe in utility, this one and also this one. So Civil 3D gives us also option that we also show these utilities height and station in our profile view. So click here. After that, add view label. Okay, you can see here station position, station elevation. So just click here. We need to show this label. Double click. After that, click here. After that, click here. Then you can see here this one, and last will be here. Okay, so this is the method to show our additional station, some specific utility, and also show in profile view. You can see here, you can also mention here the name of utility, and there is also label of this utility is mentioned here. Okay, so you can also check these label from utilities profile if you have. So if you want to mention here name, you just click here and explode this one from here, and you can also mention here pipe dia, maybe dia 500, some this maybe some specific pipe. Okay, so same like that you can also highlight all these utilities with the help of Civil 3D from here. Okay, so this is the method to show additional station in our alignment and additional station in profile view. So this is our final view. See this one. I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. So if you have any question related to this topic, so please comment in comment section. Inshallah, I try my best to give you some suitable answer. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.